Hi, good morning. So good to be with you all. I want to first start by acknowledging the Protect Michigan Commission Director, Gary Ebersol-Singh, done a phenomenal job. Department of Treasury Executive Director for the Office of Post-Secondary Financial Planning, Robin Lott. We're delighted to be joined by some very lucky Michiganders who are the My Shot to Win sweepstakes winners. They have graciously offered to share their stories about why they got vaccinated. And Carrie and Robin will introduce them to you this morning. As you all know, the My Shot to Win sweepstakes giveaway began July 1 and ended July 30th and included $5 million in total prizes. Today, we're announcing the final 8 winners of the 30 prizes of $50,000. The 9 four-year college scholarship winners for those ages 12 to 17 who received vaccines, and the $2 million grand prize winner. I want to thank Meyer for partnering with the Michigan Association of United Ways and the state of Michigan to power the sweepstakes. And I also want to thank the Michigan Chamber of Commerce, the Michigan Association of State Universities, the Small Business Association of Michigan, Business Leaders for Michigan, the Michigan Restaurant and Lodging Association, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan, the Protect Michigan Commission, and many more organizations throughout the state. I want to thank them all for their support in promoting the sweepstakes campaign. Thanks to the efforts of so many and every Michigander who got their shot, the My Shot to Win sweepstakes has been a success. Every public health expert will tell you the middle of the summer always shows lower vaccination rates than any other time of year, whether it's for chickenpox, measles, or COVID-19. In June, for example, we saw our vaccinations decline week over week for that whole month. But the sweepstakes helped Michigan reverse that trend. First doses for the full weeks of July went from 28,000 to 30,000 to 35,000 to 41,000 in the last week of the month. And that means Michigan recorded week-to-week increases for vaccinations throughout July during the sweepstakes, moving from 61% to 63%, and support climbed toward the state's goal of 70% vaccination rate. And now we're past 65% with at least their first dose as of the 20th. That's progress. That's lives saved. That's people at home and out of the hospital. Over that same time span, over 2.4 million Michiganders signed up to win cash prizes, and over 106,000 Michiganders entered to win scholarships. The media coverage from the sweepstakes generated more than $7 million in free publicity about the importance of getting one of the 3 safe and effective vaccines. The sweepstakes and news coverage helped spur conversations between families and friends about the sweepstakes. Several winners were previously unvaccinated before the sweepstakes, and they said they were inspired to get their vaccinations based on those discussions and the prizes they could win. We're going to keep making efforts to reach people where they are, answer their questions, and help people get their shots. Our lottery was just one strategy we used to promote vaccinations. The work ahead is harder still, but we will get there. Michigan will move forward, and we will continue our wide-ranging public education campaign. We'll highlight Michiganders' COVID experience stories in our messaging and advertising. We'll increase community access points for vaccinations, along with door-to-door outreach to low-coverage areas. We'll continue canvassing homes. Over 200,000 doors have already been knocked to encourage people to get vaccinated and help them get signed up. Right now, the dangerous, highly infectious Delta variant of COVID-19 is increasing across Michigan. Our success in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 through the pandemic is due in large part to the smart public health protocols we put in place, guided by our state's top medical and public health experts and executed by our local public health experts. And we've been able to sustain those results by ensuring that every eligible Michigander has access to a safe and effective vaccine. Unfortunately, unvaccinated Michiganders accounted for a staggering 98% of COVID cases, 95% of hospitalizations, and 96% of deaths from January to July of this year. The science shows vaccines offered unparalleled protection against this deadly disease, and saving lives is something that we should all agree on. That's why we would welcome a partnership from the legislature to ensure every community across the state has what they need to protect Michiganders by increasing their vaccination rates. If we work together to increase vaccination rates, we can continue putting people back to work. We can continue our economic jumpstart and ensure students can safely learn in the classroom. So please get your shots to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. And now I'm going to turn it over to Robin and Carrie so we can get to the real reason that we are all here and so excited to announce the My Shot to Win sweepstakes winners.
Excellent. Thank you, Governor. Really appreciate your leadership through these unprecedented times in our lifetime. And the governor is right. Every dose counts and every vaccine clinic counts. Every time somebody gets vaccinated, it's a life-saving dose they're receiving that gets us one step closer toward reaching our 70% goal. I now have the honor of introducing all of the remaining My Shot to Win sweepstakes $50,000 daily drawing winners. So without further ado, our first winner was immunized on July 23rd. And like a lot of winners, he didn't even respond to our initial call because he thought it was a scam. As he said, blew us off for a few days. Luckily for him, he was wrong. And the winner is Todd Demeyers of Oakland Township in Oakland County. Todd is a facility supervisor for the Detroit Red Wings at Little Caesar Arena and at DTE Energy Music Theater. I still call it Pine Knob. He got his vaccination at the Kroger Pharmacy in Lake Orion, and he told us he was motivated to get his vaccine for two reasons. The first is that if you're not vaccinated and want to work at the DTE Music Theater or at LCA, you have to wait in line every day to get tested for COVID. And he got tired of waiting in line for 15, 20 minutes to get tested. He also learned about the My Shot to Win sweepstakes from the news media coverage and thought he'd take a shot, so to speak. Congratulations, Todd of Oakland Township. Our next winner was vaccinated on July 24th, and she told us winning the 50,000 daily drawing is, and I quote, life-changing in every way possible. And the winner is Alyssa Armstrong of Caledonia in Kent County. Alyssa was vaccinated July 24th at the Meyer Pharmacy in Gaines Township. She left her manufacturing job last year after getting pregnant and was on the fence about getting the vaccination until she was sure it was safe for her to do so after giving birth to her and her partner, Philip Hughes' third child on June 27th. Alyssa said she got her vaccine as soon as the CDC said it would pose no harm to her and her son. And she tells us their son, Julian, is doing great. Their family of 5 is currently living in a single wide trailer. They're living paycheck to paycheck. So now they're looking to use their sweepstakes winnings to put a down payment on a new home in the Lansing area where they can be closer to family on the east side of the state, and so each of their kids can have their own room. Congratulations, Alyssa Armstrong of Caledonia. Our next winner was vaccinated July 25th, and he told us he was motivated to do so because he doesn't want to endanger the health of his elderly parents or a pregnant coworker at the UPS store where he works. And the winner is Caleb Nielsen of Paw Paw in Van Buren County. Caleb has his associate's degree in science and had enrolled at Western Michigan University to become a mechanical engineer. But the commute back and forth every day was problematic, so he suspended his dream. Now, thanks to the My Shot to Win sweepstakes, Caleb is going to pay off his student debt and plans on resuming his studies at Western Michigan. Congratulations, Caleb Nielsen of Paw Paw. And we're rolling. Our next winner of a 50,000 daily drawing is born and raised Lansing resident who was vaccinated July 26th at the Ingham County Medical Care Facility where he works as an EDS. And the winner is Brandon Ebright of OKEMOS in Ingham County. Brandon recently moved from Lansing in order to be closer to his EDS job. He told us he never believed COVID was real until he and his wife and their 2 children all got COVID in April. He says surviving COVID has changed his life, and now he's preaching to everybody he knows to please get your vaccine. Congratulations, Brandon. Our next winner was immunized on July 27th. And the winner is Kevin Underwood of Lowell in Kent County. Now, Kevin is a traveling salesperson, and he was worried that he could be a COVID carrier and could infect his colleagues or his clients. So he decided to get his J&J vaccination to protect others. Thank you, Kevin, and congratulations, Kevin of Lowell. Our next winner was immunized July 28th and just received his second dose last Wednesday because of his concern that the Delta variant could soon get out of control. And the winner is Brian Kulesz of Sterling Heights in Macomb County. Brian is a business systems analyst for Aero Strategies of Southfield and a self-proclaimed holistic type person on healthcare who believes exercise and a healthy diet can ensure physical well-being. He got vaccinated as he learned more about the Delta variant is out of control in too many states and doesn't want that to happen in Michigan. Now, Brian, who is 55 years old, says he plans to use his winnings to pay off remaining debt on his mortgage and save for retirement. Congratulations, Brian of Kulesz of Sterling Heights in Macomb County. We're going to go out of order here to announce the next winner, and I'll explain why in a minute. The July 30th winner of My Shot to Win Sweepstakes daily drawing, which was in the final day to qualify, is Breya Matthews of Grand Rapids. She works in talent acquisition for PNC Bank, and she received her vaccination at Health Alliance Plan Immunization Clinic in Troy, while considering a move to a new home in Metro Detroit. Breya was unaware of the My Shot to Win sweepstakes until her grandmother sent her a screenshot about the drawings, and she decided to get immunized and also enter for a chance to win. We asked Breya if she plans on doing something nice for her grandmother, and she told us she wants to and wishes she could. But Breya said her grandmother, and I quote, doesn't like to be spoiled and prefers doing things for others. Congratulations, Breya Matthews of Grand Rapids, and good luck with trying to convince your grandma to let you do something nice for her. Now, our final $50,000 daily drawing winner was vaccinated July 29th. Her story of why she got vaccinated is so powerful, we invited her to join us live this morning. She began having health issues and was diagnosed with Graves' disease in her right eye 4 years ago. Since that time, she's had 4 surgeries, including 2 procedures last year during the height of the COVID pandemic. Because Graves is a rare autoimmune disease, she was reluctant to get vaccinated. But she credits a very special physician and team at the University of Michigan, Kellogg Eye Center, for encouraging her to get vaccinated. And now she's glad she took their advice. Our winner is Jacqueline Paul of Indian River in Sheboygan County. Before we hear from Jacqueline, I just want to say that when she was first contacted that she had won the $50,000, Jacqueline hung up the phone because she thought it was a scam. But our persistence paid off, and I'm glad and I'm excited to introduce her today. Jacqueline Paul.
Thank you, Carrie, for your kind words. I work as a case manager for North Country Community Mental Health, where I work with children and families. Our main office is in Petoskey, but we serve 6 counties, and I work in Sheboygan County, and I love what I do. I had hoped to be surgery-free this year, but now I have another operation scheduled for September. And I wanted to get vaccinated for COVID-19 because my mother's getting older, and her and my brothers often come to visit me. And I don't want to do anything that would jeopardize their health or anybody else's, but I wanted a doctor's opinion if it was safe for me. I figured if my medical team recommended me to do it, then I should do it. But I wasn't going to get vaccinated until I got the okay from my doctor. So I want to thank Dr. Victor Maurice Elner for not just helping me with my condition, but providing me the advice that convinced me to get vaccinated. Dr. Elner, thank you, and thanks to your incredible team at the University of Michigan Kellogg Eye Center for sharing your wisdom and potentially saving my life. I may not ever be able to repay your kindness, but with my sweepstakes prize, I'll be able to pay my medical bills. Thank you for this opportunity to speak. And now let's hear from Executive Director Robin Lott, who's going to announce scholarship winners. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Robin Lott with the Michigan Department of Treasury. I'm the Executive Director for the Office of Post-Secondary Financial Planning. And thank you so much, Jacqueline, for your incredibly moving testimonial. And thank you to Governor Wittwer and Carrie Ebersol Singh for all you do to keep Michiganians safe. I think that it's such an honor to be here and to join you all today to announce and congratulate our 9 winners of the 55,000 Michigan Education Trust scholarships from the My Shot to Win sweepstakes. These young people got their shot, and now they get a shot at making their dreams come true. But families don't have to win a sweepstakes to help their children pursue higher education. MET is Michigan's Section 529 prepaid tuition program, and our program was the first of its kind in the nation. MET provides families a safe and secure way to pay for future higher education at today's prices. Our MET alumni are true testament to what you can do after high school. So here's a trivia question for you. What MET student became the governor of Michigan? We'll give you the answer later. How's that? That's why I'm delighted to see our scholarship winners this morning proudly wearing their MET t-shirts. And that's why I'm working today, even though I'm on vacation, to learn more about saving for higher education with MET. Please visit us at setwithmet.com. I know you want the answer to that question, don't you? So our first MET student that I'm aware of that is now governor of Michigan is Governor Wittwer. Thank you so much. So now it's my pleasure to announce today's My Shot to Win MET scholarship winners. Our first winner is also our youngest winner. She's 12 years old, and she is Meadow Surman of Waterford and Oakland County. Meadow is here with us today, so let's hear from her.
I'm so excited to be a My Shot to Win sweepstakes winner. I'm the daughter of Erica and Tony Surman and the sister of Brennan and Evan. I'm in the 7th grade, and I was first vaccinated May 15th at Beaumont Hospital in Troy. I decided to get vaccinated because I want to play volleyball and go to school in person and see my friends. I am planning to use My Shot to Win scholarship to attend Michigan State University. Thank you and go green.
Go white. Congratulations, Meadow. Our
Thank you.
next My Shot to Win scholarship winner has a very interesting story. He was vaccinated by his sister, who is a pharmacy tech intern at the Walgreens in their community. And the winner is Ian Miller of Salem High School in Wayne County's Plymouth Canton Educational Park.
Hi, I'm Ian Miller. I'm from Plymouth. I'm 16 and I'm the son of Mike and Rachel Miller. I'm a junior at Salem High School. I got my vaccine at Walgreens in the beginning of April, right when I was able to get it. I got it from Walgreens because my sister was a pharmacy tech there. I got my vaccine to protect not only myself, but the other people around me, as well as I wanted to go back to school and have a golf season this year. Luckily, nobody in my family has been affected by COVID, but one of my previous teachers got COVID and now has long-term complications from it. I would really encourage them to get the vaccine, not only to protect themselves, but protect everyone else around them, as well as help us get back to the state of normal that was before COVID. Currently, I am planning on becoming a dermatologist, and I hope to attend Michigan State University. Go green. I really want to encourage Michiganders to go out and get the vaccine to protect themselves and the others around them. And happy birthday, Governor Wittwer.
Congratulations, Ian Miller, and go white. Our next winner was vaccinated in April at her county health department, and coincidentally to Ian, is also planning to pursue a medical career. And the winner is Mallory Wheeler of Reading High School in Hillsdale County. She's the first and our only My Shot to Win sweepstakes winner to hail from Hillsdale County.
Hello, my name is Mallory Wheeler and I'm from Reading, Michigan. I'm 17 years old and I'm the daughter of Michelle and Dustin Wheeler. I'm a senior student at Reading High School. I received my COVID vaccine in April of 2021 at Hillsdale High School at a vaccination clinic held by our local health department. I decided to get my COVID vaccine and doing my part in keeping everybody healthy and safe and getting our lives back to normal. My school has been greatly affected by COVID. We've been put online multiple times and I have been quarantined numerous times. Please just do your part in keeping everybody healthy and safe by getting the vaccine. I'm undecided about where I'm going to attend college, but I do know that I want to pursue a career in the medical field. I am super thankful and very excited to have the opportunity to win this scholarship so that I can attend the college of my choice.
Congratulations, Mallory Wheeler. And don't worry, you still got plenty of time to decide how you plan to use your Met Scholarship. Our next winner is from West Michigan, and he is Josiah Baets, Josiah Baets of Eastern High School in Ada's Forest Hills Schools, Eastern District. Today is supposed to be the first day of classes for Josiah, but his school allowed him to join us this morning in the hopes he can inspire more of his peers to get vaccinated. So Josiah, tell us about yourself and why you got vaccinated.
Hi, I'm the son of Brian and Sarah Baets. I'm 15 years old and a sophomore at Eastern High School. I decided to get vaccinated because I want to be able to enjoy normal school activities and not go through the disappointments we experienced last year when virtually all of our events were canceled. I plan to use my scholarship to attend Ferris State University. I'm hoping to enroll in the School of Pharmacy. Go Bulldogs!
Congratulations, Josiah. I hope you can use your Met Scholarship at Ferris State, and maybe you'll go on to discover a new medical miracle like the great folks at Pfizer have done. Our next winner was vaccinated in June at a Kroger pharmacy in Wayne County. And the winner is Karan Choudhary of Plymouth High School. And he is planning to go to that school where they wear maize and blue.
Hello, my name is Karan Choudhary and I'm from Canton, Michigan. I'm the son of Om Prakash Choudhary and Sarita Choudhary, and I'm a senior at Plymouth High School. I got my COVID-19 vaccination sometime during June at Kroger in order to do my part and stop the spread of the coronavirus so I can be safe and protected against it. None of my friends or family have been harmed by COVID as they've taken the necessary precautions and stayed healthy to protect themselves against it. For those who are uncertain whether to get the vaccine or not, I highly recommend it, as you'll be doing your part in stopping the spread of the virus and you'll stay healthy as well. I plan to attend the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, and I'll be pursuing engineering to get closer to my goal of becoming a hardware engineer. Once again, I highly recommend everyone to get the vaccine and do your part to stop the spread of coronavirus.
Congratulations, Karan, and go blue. I guess we can say go blue. Our next winner was vaccinated in April at his local health department, and the winner is Jackson Wittwer of Eisenhower High School in Macomb County's Shelby Township. Jackson lives in a house divided. His oldest brother attends the University of Michigan, while another brother attends Oakland University. Let's see where Jackson plans to use his Met Scholarship.
Hi, I'm Jack Wittwer. I'm from Macomb Township. I am 17 years old and the son of Maggie and Joe Wittwer. And in June, I just graduated from Eisenhower High School. I got my vaccine in April at the Macomb County Health Department. And the reason I got it was so I can try to get myself back to somewhat normal with my friends and my family and basically my life. I do know a few classmates that got COVID, but fortunately, they were only mild cases, so they weren't really harmed by it. I would say for young people on the fence of getting the vaccine that there isn't really anything to be afraid of. Like when I got it, I didn't really get affected at all, and I was fine. And it really is just something that can help you get back to normal and get back to your normal life before the pandemic even started. This fall, I will be attending Michigan State University, and I plan on pursuing a career in film production. The last thing I'd like to say is thank you to anyone involved in giving me this amazing gift.
Congratulations, Jackson, and go green. Our next winner's mom told us their family was literally shocked and elated when their son was selected as a winner of a My Shot to Win sweepstakes Met scholarship. And the winner is Landon Burkhart of DAKOTA High School in Macomb County's MACOMB Township. As you'll see in our next video, Landon has a vision for his Met scholarship that will help him to achieve his ultimate dream of becoming a video game designer.
Hello, I am Landon Burkhart. I'm a 16-year-old from Macomb, Michigan, and the son of Lee and James Burkhart, and I'm an upcoming senior at DAKOTA High School. I got vaccinated on April 17th and May 8th this year at the Macomb Community Health Department, and I did it so that I could protect my close family alongside my special needs brother, who could be the most impacted by this. According to my immediate knowledge, none of my family or friends, or even any of my classmates, have been affected by COVID-19, but technically we all have been affected by it in every sort of the way. Something I would say to people in Michigan who have not gotten vaccinated yet is that if they don't do it, they'll just be harming other people's lives and putting other people at risk. But if they do it, then they could protect the ones they love, like family or friends. Using the scholarship that was given through me through this, I plan on attending Macomb Community College. And I'm not sure what I'll major in just yet, but I do plan on hopefully leaning towards information technology with a minor in video game design or something like that, hopefully. The only other thing that I have to say for all this is thank you for the opportunity of a lifetime, and hopefully people see that they need to get vaccinated.
Congratulations, Landon, and go Monarchs. Our next winner is our second youngest recipient of a Met scholarship and our second middle school student. And the winner is Hudson Chambers of Grand Rapids Public Schools City High Middle School. Both Hudson's parents have college degrees from different universities, so he's still weighing his options.
Hello, my name is Hudson Chambers, and I am from Grand Rapids. I am 13, and my parents are Matt Chambers and Mandy Brennan. I am in 7th grade, and I go to City Middle High School. I got my first shot on the 16th of May, and my second shot on June 6th at Walgreens in Grand Rapids. I got it to protect the people that I love and people that I'm around just in general. Young Michiganders that are hesitating to get the COVID-19 vaccine, I would just say, just go ahead and do it. I have just started the 7th grade, and I haven't given that much thought to where I will be going for college or what I will be doing for college. I would like to thank Meyer and the state of Michigan for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you, Hudson, and congratulations to you. Hudson's mom has a history degree from Kalamazoo College, and his dad has an electrical engineering degree from the University of Texas. So let's hope Hudson chooses to remain here in Michigan to get his college education rather than taking his talents to Texas. We want you to stay here, Hudson. All right, so the final winner of the My Shot to Win Met College Scholarship has graciously accepted our invitation to appear here live with us today. His mom describes him as her, and I quote, very mellow child. But based on our discussions with him, she could also say her son has a heart of gold. And the winner is Kamari Wright of Thurston High School in the Wayne County city of Redford. Kamari is one of Kim Dixon's Wright's 4 children. Their family is already putting one daughter through college at Eastern Michigan University and another at Oakland University. They were worried about affording the cost of college education for Kamari, especially since his mom has been diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. So when they got the call that Kamari was the winner of a My Shot to Win scholarship, it was as if their prayers were answered. Kamari, tell us about yourself and why you got vaccinated.
Thank you for letting me join today. I got vaccinated because, well, my mom, as mentioned earlier, has MS, and getting the vaccine would make me be able to like protect her from any other thing besides what she's going through right now, and protecting everyone around me. So yeah, it was good getting the vaccine. And I recommend anyone who has doubts about it to get it immediately. It does not affect me in any way. I don't think it affects you. Now that I have a Met scholarship, I plan to attend Michigan State University. I'm planning to study mathematics, and I can't wait to become a Spartan. Thank you, and go green.
Go green, go white. Thank you, Kamari, for sharing your family's courageous story. Now let's hear who is going to be the My Shot to Win grand prize winner from Protect Michigan Commission Director Singh. Thank you so much, Carrie. Take it away. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you, Robin. And nothing more inspiring than hearing from the young people across our state. Excuse me. And I love all the Spartans, or those that plan to attending Michigan State University. Very exciting. All right. Now, I had the privilege of meeting our My Shot to Win sweepstakes grand prize winner last week. It was incredibly heartwarming to hear how her and her husband immigrated to Michigan from Montreal, Canada, 13 years ago. And now the My Shot to Win sweepstakes is helping them achieve the American dream by providing a better future for their children, improving their home, and donating some of the winnings to a charity to support improving mental health services in their community. The winner of the $2 million grand prize is Christine Duvall of Oakland County's Bloomfield Township. Roll the tape.
Hi, I'm Carrie Ebersol-Singh, the director of the Protect Michigan Commission, and we're outside of our grand prize winner, the $2 million sweepstakes winner for the My Shot to Win. Christine Duvall should be inside, and we're going to go knock her door now. Woohoo! Congratulations, Christine!
Thank you.
You're our My Shot to Win grand prize winner for the $2 million.
Thank you.
Woo! Christine, you're our $2 million winner. So now that you have won this grand prize, what's the plan?
First of all, I have 3 children, so I see college tuition in my future. My husband and I would like to give back to mental health charity. It's really dear to our heart. And maybe remodel the house to make a home for the family.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now tell me, when and where did you get vaccinated?
We got vaccinated in April, and it was in a local pharmacy in Southfield.
Have you advocated to all your friends and family to get vaccinated?
Yes, for us it's really important. My 2 sons are vaccinated already. We are waiting for our daughter. She's 10, so it's not yet her turn. But yeah, it's really important to have freedom and live the life like we used to.
Well, thank you so much, and keep advocating to get people vaccinated and enjoy this grand prize money.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Christine.
Thank you, Carrie. My husband, Philip, and I received our first dose of the Pfizer vaccine in early April at a CVS pharmacy in Southfield. We received our second dose 3 weeks later. We are blessed to have 3 children. Our son, Laurent, who's 18, our son, Jules, 15, and Alice, our daughter, who's 10. Before the pandemic, I was working full-time as a project manager in Troy, Michigan. When the pandemic hit the country, I decided to stay home and take care of my daughter and help her with her education as our school closed. Like Carrie just said, winning the My Shot to Win grand prize will help us achieve all of our dreams. First of all, we want to put aside money to help our kids and pay for their education. So we will be looking soon into the Michigan Education Trust Program. Alice and I are watching a lot of episodes of All Centers Innovation lately because we are planning to remodel our home. We are really lucky and want to give back to those in need. The pandemic was tough on everyone, and we believe the need for providing services that promote positive mental health care is more important now than ever. It's why we'll be donating some of our grand prize to improve mental health services in our community. It's a cause very close to my heart. I have one last thing to say. Merci, Michigan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Christine, and congratulations to all the winners we announced today. Special thanks to those winners who were able to join us live and were able to share their personal stories. And I want to also say thank you to Executive Director Robin Lott. I'm fortunate to be able to work with her on another front on the 60 by 30 effort, but she is a dynamic leader and we are grateful to have her here working on behalf of the state of Michigan. To all the reporter friends, please know we are going to send out a press release immediately after this event that includes all the names of the My Shot to Win sweepstakes winners. You can also connect with Mike Nolan if you want to connect contact information for any of the winners that we announced today. They have also expressed their willingness to do one-on-one interviews with the media if you need further information. And of course, you can always connect with Nolan to get video link to this entire press conference, as well as the links to the individual winner videos we unveiled today. And it looks like we have a few minutes for a few questions if folks are interested. And I know Robin is also able to stay along with us for a few. And I think, I'm sure there's some buzzing phones with some of our media outlets that Pfizer has won full approval with the FDA. So it is indeed a big day in the progress to vaccinate our state. Oh, feel free to, for any questions, to put that in the chat, and then Mike Nolan will call upon you and go from there. If there are any, or we can wrap early. It's all good, either way.
Eric Lloyd with TV.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. As you just mentioned, Pfizer got the full FDA approval, and the Protect Michigan Commission still has not hit 70% goal. So one, how do you expect that approval to help you hit the goal, and what is next now that the My Shot to Win sweepstakes is it?
Yes, so, you know, with this announcement today by the FDA, it's a huge opportunity that we want to, broadcast this news, because for some, through our public opinion research have indicated that full approval from the FDA would be a mark towards moving them to get vaccinated. So for some that have been undecided, that were uncertain still with the emergency authorization that had been given to these vaccines, that full approval is going to be a motivator for some. So I encourage all outlets to make this part of the story today. Because we hope it will propel us again towards that 70% goal. And I think in terms of this is more about continuing the work. I know the governor during her comments mentioned we've hit on over 200,000 doors over the summer in communities with low coverage area. That work continues. We continue to seek partnerships and communities across the state, talking about the importance to get vaccinated, that it doesn't matter where you may fall on a political spectrum or whatnot, that folks across this nation are supporting and getting vaccinated, and time is of the essence as we are seeing the Delta variant spread across our state.
And without further ado, Carrie, I believe we can call it a day. Call it a day. And if any reporters need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you all. Everyone take care, and good luck to all of our scholarship winners and daily winners as well, and our grand prize winner. Take care.